discussing the syllabus. Now we are going to discuss the model paper which we have already got. So what are you going to get in your paper? We are having very simple paper. Again and again I am telling you, don't feel tensed. Everything is going on very coolly. Okay. So you are going to have question answers which are given at the back of the lesson, which are going to be simple, small ones only you are going to get. Then meanings which I have already given you. Then third, who said to whom. You have after every lesson read these lines from the text and answer the given questions. Okay. For example, here you have in along the yellow brick road. I don't know, but we can go and see. Who said this to whom? Understand? Like this. I think in this what we have? Scarecrow said to whom? Dorothy. Like that. Only this much you are going to say. Who said to whom? First question answers which you are going to be very simple small ones. Answer the following questions. Either 3 or 4 only you are going to get. Then meanings. Small meanings we are going to give you. Then who said to whom? From this, read these lessons from the text and answer the given questions. Only who said to whom, that's it. Why they said, when they said, all these things you are not going to get. Then one substitution table. When I give you, I will explain it that time itself. Then I am going to give you the model. Understand? Then next, textbook exercises, we have prefixes. Prefixes means adding in, unhappy, disobedient, like that. They are called irregular, normal, abnormal, like that. Adding 2 letters in the beginning, prefixes. When I give, I will explain and give you the list, and that will you are going to get in the form of typed thing. Time phrases. You have time phrases. Many, much also you have. How many, how much, countable, uncountable. Time phrase. Waste of time, once upon a time, kill the time, too much time on my hand, time flies. Like these, fill in the blanks you are going to get. They are called time phrases. Where you have it in the lesson marching towards freedom. While explaining also, I will give you the names of the lesson for your reference, so that you can refer to the textbook exercises also and what I give also. And based on this, you are going to get my own sentences, not exact ones which I give in the revision and which you have in the lesson exercises. Based on that, simple things I am giving on my own. Then nouns. Nouns you have proper noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, such things. Verbs and tenses. Present, simple present tense, simple past tense, which I recently taught you in the lesson, what to say, little genius. Adjectives of time, adjective of manner, adjective of that also you have quantity, quality. It is also from marching towards freedom. Singulars and plurals, nouns and numbers you are going to get. Add es, es, ies, ves to the given words and make their plurals. Apart from this, any other simple things are there, I am going to add, but surely you are going to get revision of everything. Only a smart piece of it, sample I can tell. Remaining you are going to get in the exam. So this is about English model paper. Understand? So thank you. Here I stop for it. Any doubts? Once again I explain. Model, what you have in your paper? Question answers, meanings, who said to whom, substitution table, textbook exercise. In those textbook exercises, what you have? Prefixes, time phrases, nouns, verbs and tenses, adjectives, types of adjectives, singulars, plurals, and something else also, which are very simple. So this is all about your model paper for English essay 1. Nothing more than that you are going to get. Whatever I add, you are going to get it on the board as well as printed matter for your reference. So here I stop for English. After this I am going to give you social studies model paper.